Climbing to new heights, both literally and figuratively, is as accessible as ever with the surge in popularity of indoor rock climbing. You might be surprised to learn that it's not just for the daring and nimble, but it's beginner-friendly too. Most climbing gyms offer gear rental, so all you need to bring is your adventurous spirit and comfortable clothes. Focus on using your legs more than your arms and follow the color-coded routes to navigate your ascent. Don't worry about falling, it's part of the game, and with proper belaying techniques it's safe. With terms like belay, hold, jug, crimps, and take, you'll be talking the talk in no time. The lessons typically cost around $30 to $40 and can be done solo or with a partner. Apart from the thrill, rock climbing is also a fantastic way to improve cardiorespiratory fitness, build strength, boost brain power, enhance mental health, and build confidence. It's a mentally challenging, meditative, and community-building activity that offers a sense of accomplishment. So are you ready to conquer your first wall?